Today we are introducing an open-source project called MoneyPrinterTurbo. This project has 10,000 stars on GitHub. It uses AI large language models and automated workflows to automatically generate high-definition short videos from keywords or topics with one click. Or long videos as well. These are two highlights of this project. This project provides a WebUI, accessible via a browser on your local network, to show its interface, rather than using command line calls. To generate short videos, you don't use command line methods. This makes the operation much more convenient. Additionally, this project supports exposing APIs, so other projects can easily call it. You can check out some sample videos it has produced. For installation, whether on Linux, Windows, or Mac OS, we recommend using Docker, as it avoids many complications. Since every machine has a different environment, mismatches can introduce many uncontrollable factors during installation. Now let's get the code. Then go into the Docker folder. Now we can see it's already running. There are two instances, one is the WebUI, and the other is the API one. Now let's access the WebUI through a browser. Let me explain each field one by one. This is the video topic, which is the title of the video you're creating, right? Here, it's auto-detecting whether the language is Chinese or English. If you've already written the title or topic above, you can click here to auto-generate the script. But I don't recommend this approach, because it's unlikely you'll get a satisfactory script in one shot. Usually, you'd use ChatGPT or a similar chat interface. Go back and forth, and finally settle on a script you're happy with. Then you paste it here. That's more practical. As for keywords, they are important when you upload the video to platforms like YouTube or Douyin. Keywords are quite crucial. For video sources, there are several websites listed here. You need to configure them. Let's go back and talk about the configuration. For configuration, you first need a large language model. I've chosen DeepSeek and already configured it. For media assets, it provides 3 websites. You just click on them and you're redirected to their official site to apply for access. I've already applied for 2 of them. With these 2 set up, it's good to go. The video materials are downloaded from these sites, and all videos on them are royalty-free. For video assembly, we select random. For transitions, we choose no transition. And I've set it to landscape 16:9. Each downloaded clip is at most 3 seconds long. Now let's look at voiceovers. You can choose from Microsoft, Google, Xiaomi, or Labors. The first one is free. I won't change the volume or speech rate. Let's listen. This is a sample text for speech synthesis testing. For background music, it selects random BGM from a repository. I created a video before, and when I uploaded it to YouTube claimed the background music had copyright issues. That is, someone else had already claimed the copyright and it was downloaded for use. In that case, if you upload it and aim to monetize, it won't work. Because any playback revenue would go to the original copyright holder. So the best approach is to find your own music and upload it via the custom background music option. Generally, the BGM volume should be set to around 20%, so it doesn't conflict with the voiceover. For subtitles, the default is Microsoft Yahoo. It's not unchangeable, you can choose other options. You can adjust the subtitle color to yellow, font size 60, with black outline. And adjust the outline thickness too. Once all these are set, just click Generate Video. And wait about 5 to 10 minutes. The final video will appear right here, where a link will be generated for you to click and view. That's a rough overview. The only issue I've encountered so far is with the custom background music upload. I'm not sure where the random BGM is downloaded from. The downloaded ones may have copyright issues, so you need to be careful about that. Overall, I find it quite